Hi all and welcome back to my channel. I just want to take this time to tell everyone thank you for your love and support. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, and liking on my previous videos. Today I'm going to do a little something different, and I'm going to do a review on a product that I just purchased. In the next couple of videos you may see that, so if you're interested in my opinion, stay tuned. This is the Artika Essence Disc. It is an LED fixture and does not require light bulbs. It came really nicely packaged with some instructions and also product info on some other products that they sell. I was surprised of how heavy this light fixture is, but it did come with a safety cord that you would attach to the bracket. So let's just say you ever had an earthquake, it would prevent the light fixture from falling to the floor and completely shattering. So good job, Artika. This is what the old fixture looks like. This is the one that I will be replacing in my hallway. So this is where the fun begins, removing this old light fixture. I've already cut the power, so I'm good on that. And once I unscrewed the outside screws, the globe came down easily. And then I just unscrewed the light bulb and the rest of the fixture. So overall, I'm happy with this install. The only complaint I have is it's a little on the heavy side, so you might need some assistance. And because it's such a low profile, you have to use a screwdriver that has a really long arm. However, I think it's modern, it's sleek, and it has brightened up my hallway tremendously. And I'm not concerned about it being an LED and burning out anytime soon. It comes with a standard 50,000 hours or 5 years being consistently on. But since this is in the hallway, it doesn't get much use. But overall, I think it was a great buy.